Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Haraldus and today I want to talk about quantum computing. Maybe you already knew this, but it's actually possible to run your own code on quantum computers on Azure. This is just a web playground, so it doesn't actually run your code on an actual quantum computer, it just runs it on a simulator. However, it's also possible to run your own code on an actual quantum computer using something called quantum workspaces in Azure. To actually try this out, you will need an Azure account and that's it. You automatically get $500 of free credits when you try this. To get started, search for quantum workspace and create one. Then give it a name and select a region. At the time of creating this video, there are 3 quantum providers available. I'm not sure if there is any difference between any of those 3 providers, but I think these are what provide the actual quantum computer so that you can run your code on it. Once the deployment is complete, go to the actual workspace resource and you will see 3 options. So as you can see, you can run your code on a Jupyter notebook, on VS Code web, or local development environment, which doesn't make any sense for me. Why would you create a Azure workspace and then run your quantum code on a simulator locally? So I tried out the VS Code web environment just to see what it's like, and there are already a bunch of quantum code samples and I tried running those. Some of them run fine and some of them just don't do anything. And later I found out that this actually doesn't run any of the code on any quantum computer. It just runs it on the simulator. But I still had to write a hello world in Q# just to try it out. Then I tried the Jupyter notebook samples, and these actually do run on a physical quantum computer. Overall, these were way more interesting as there's explanations of what's happening. I can't say that I actually understood what's going on, but it was interesting just going through it and trying to run it and see what happens. Each of the things that you run on an actual quantum computer is divided into jobs, and then you can basically download these jobs as JSON and they have your inputs and outputs. Here is an example of one. I think the main reason why there's so much hype around quantum computers is that if they get advanced enough, it would be possible to break the RSA encryption. Apparently, advanced quantum computers could also help with drug discovery and molecular simulation, optimization problems in logistics and finance, AI and ML acceleration, and designing new materials and energy solutions. Currently, I don't think it's close to solving anything. However, the fact that you can go on Azure and run your code on an actual quantum computer is really cool. Also, the fact that they spent millions developing these computers and then they let you use them for free is a bit weird, but I'll take it. So do you think that quantum computers are the future? And have you tried running any quantum code? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.